Hello everyone, welcome to my channel YJ Tech. In today's video, we will discuss and learn about virtual machine, shortly known as VM. Uh, what is a VM and how we can create VMs on our laptop or desktop computers for practice and creating labs for different real-world scenarios. A VM is a software-based computer that runs inside your physical computer. It's a computer within a computer. So basically, VM include its own operating system, virtual hardware, and it's completely isolated from your main system. Why do people use VMs? Basically, to practice Linux or Windows without affecting the host machine, to run multiple operating system on one device, to learn networking, cloud, server administration, cybersecurity, or to create labs for database administration. So there are wide variety of things which we can use and which we can learn and do practice by using the virtual machine. How we can create VMs on our laptop or desktop. So we can use any virtualization tool to creating the VMs, and then we can use ISO files of the operating system which we want to install. So in this video, we will use a tool, virtualization tool known as Oracle VirtualBox. And Oracle VirtualBox is a free open source virtualization platform that allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. And from where we can download the Oracle VirtualBox, I will show you the links. So basically, you can download the Oracle VirtualBox from here. Since I am using Windows, so I will click here on Windows host. So it will start downloading the Oracle VirtualBox. I have already downloaded these files, so I will show you these files here. After downloading the Oracle VirtualBox, then we need the ISO image of the operating system which we want to install. So in this video, we will use the Oracle Linux. We will download the Oracle Linux from the following link, yum.oracle.com. So I will prefer to use Oracle Linux 9.6 or 9.7, and we can download the ISO image from this link. After installing the Oracle Linux on Oracle VirtualBox, then we need a software to access this machine from our laptop, and we will use MobaX software, which is an advanced terminal and remote access tool for Windows. It combines multiple network tools into one application. So we can download MobaX server from this link. Okay, so I have already downloaded all these three software. So we will start from here. I will open this Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, we will start by installing the Oracle VirtualBox. Run as administrator. Okay, welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, I accept the terms of license agreement. Click next. Yes, next. It's ready to install. Just click on install. The VirtualBox has been installed. Click on finish. Okay, this is the interface of Oracle VirtualBox, and these are the different options shown here. Like you can create a new virtual machine, you can open an existing virtual machine. The same setting can be found here in the file menu. You can see these preferences, tools related to virtual machines, extension, media, network, cloud resources. It's a very simple tool. And all these options for the tools are also showing here. You can access these options from here. So I have already downloaded the ISO image of Oracle 9.6. So we will start installing the Oracle Linux here. We will click on the new, we click on the new, okay. give the machine name. For example, I will name it my Oracle Linux 1. Okay, select the ISO image. I have downloaded the ISO image here. Okay, select it. Unselect this option. Proceed with unattended installation. Right. Okay. Grant memory, at least 4 GB of memory. Okay, 4096. At least select 4 CPUs. Okay, specify virtual hard disk. By default, it is showing 20 GB. So at least allocate it 120 GB for installation and other things. Okay, once you have selected all these options, just verify once again and click on finish. Now you can see that the machine is in powered off state. We will just right click here and we can start the machine. So start here, start with GUI, or we can simply click here and start the machine. So you can see here that's powering up, powering VM up. Okay, it will take some time. It has been started. Okay, just hit enter to start the installation. Once you are in Oracle VirtualBox software, the mouse will be integrated with this one. If you want to exit from here, just uh, hit the right control button and your mouse pointer will be out. So here we will escape, hit on escape to about this check. Okay, control, and now your mouse pointer is outside of the Oracle VM. We can close this one. Here we will choose the language, English. Okay, English United States. Continue. Okay, so there are different settings which we have to do one by one. Okay, so first of all, set a root password for the root user, right? Allow root SSH login with password so that we can remotely access this machine. Click on done, done. User creation. Create one user for future use. I will create a username with admin. Make this user administrator. Password. Okay. Click on done, done. Okay. Network and host name. Okay. Configure the settings of this network adapter. IP4 settings. Manual. Okay. Add an address. So VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox subnet starts from 192.168.56. After 56, you can give any IP, for example, 56.55. Okay, subnet mask 255, 255, 255.0. Gateway 192.168.56.1. Okay, save. Just right once disable and enable it again. Now you can see that IP address is shown here. Give host name as well here. For example, I choose the name my Oracle Linux 1. Okay, apply and done. Data time is already selected. Software selection, server with GUI, and some basic software selection like system tools, security tools, and development tools. These are enough. Okay, click on done. Installation destination. This is very important. Okay, here we will choose the hard disk and its option. Then we will create the specified mount points. Okay, so here we will choose it custom custom settings. This one, and select this hard disk which we have already allocated 120 GB. Click on done. Click here to add a new mount point or create new mount point. So first of all, we will create a boot mount point. We will select here boot, okay, and 1 GB is enough. Add mount point, okay. Now we will add another mount point, okay. Swap. For swap, we will select 8 GB, add mount point, and then we will add root. Okay, this is root, and without mentioning the capacity, it will allocate all the capacity, the remaining capacity. Okay, now you can see that root 111 GB, okay, boot 1 GB, and swap 8 GB. Click on done, step changes, begin installation. Okay, the installation has started. Installation has been completed. Now we'll click on reboot system. Okay, it will reboot the system. The system is rebooting, and now you can see that the UI is loading. Now we will log into the system, the admin user. Also, we will install the MobaXterm so that we can access this machine from our laptop. Okay, installation started. Yes, nothing. Go to the settings. This is your IP address 192.168.56.55. So you can ping this from your laptop. Okay, ping 192.168.56.55. You need to disable and enable this Ethernet settings so that it can take effect. The machine is not pinging from the outside, so what we have to do, we need to add host only adapter here. Okay, so we will power off the machine and we will add another network adapter. So I will go there, uh, power off the machine. Machine is powered off. Click here on the network and then choose this one as host only adapter. Okay, and in the second adapter, you can enable adapter and then net, right? Okay, and then you can power on your machine.